Hey, I'm Paul with Custom Dynamics, and today we're going to be installing our new ProBeam Indian red rear LED turn signals on this 2016 Indian Springfield. Aluminum bullet housings come with a chrome or gloss black anodized finish. They're built with your choice of the ProBeam solid red LED turn signals or the ProBeam solid amber LED turn signals behind a DOT and SAE compliant lens. They use automotive grade LEDs to produce an even brighter light output with a wider viewing angle. The 24 red ProBeam LEDs showcase at high intensity for maximum visibility. They come with a lifetime warranty against LED failure. They're designed to be used on 2014 to 2019 Indian Chief, Springfield, and Roadmaster models, 2014 to 2019 Chieftain Classic and Chieftain Elite, 2014 to 2018 Chieftain, Chieftain Dark Horse, and Chieftain Limited. They're sold as a pair and can be used in conjunction with Custom Dynamics Magic Strobe's brake light flasher for additional safety and visibility. Pair them with a sleek ProBeam bullet bezel for a custom finish. To get started, remove the 3 bolts securing the taillight assembly to the rear fender. Disconnect the 4 taillight electrical connections. You may need to use a small straight screwdriver. Now remove the existing left and right turn signals by removing and unscrewing the bolt and install the new ProBeam turn signals. Be sure to use a thread locking agent to prevent the mounting bolts from becoming loose. Reconnect the taillight and turn signal cables to the appropriate connector. The right side is labeled RRH turn and the left is RLH turn. Then secure the wires. Reinstall the taillight assembly and always test for proper operation before taking a ride. Now you're ready to enjoy your new ProBeam Indian red rear turn signals. Our ProBeam Indian red rear turn signals are a simple upgrade to your bike that will make a big difference for any rider. You can check out the entire ProBeam family of products at CustomDynamics.com or by visiting your local Drag Specialties dealer.